Ralph Waldo Emerson said over 150 years ago, people only see what they are prepared to see. So the big question today is, how much plastic have we made from 1950 until now? More than 10 billion metric tons. What is the fate of all this plastic? More than half of this plastic ends up in waste on landfills, contaminating our groundwaters, soil and oceans. It is polluting them to an unprecedented scale. From the total plastic waste produced worldwide, only 27% are still in use. 10% was incinerated, polluting our air, and only 9% was recycled. Plastic waste is normally incinerated and discarded as a solution. Are you still listening to this video? Almost 1.5 billion plastic bottles are being produced per day. In other words, every day the equivalent of a bottle pile half the size of the Eiffel Tower in Paris is sold around the world. Can we allow ourselves to ignore the fact that our oceans are constantly and growingly polluted with plastic day by day? The answer is no, because after all, the oceans are producing oxygen through the plants that live in them. In total, our oceans produce 70% of the oxygen on Earth and absorb about 25% of all carbon dioxide generated by humans and other sources. If the oceans die, we will die too. What's the best solution? Until a fully biodegradable and inexpensive material with packaging quality similar to plastic is invented, we will all be totally dependent on plastic which is made from fossil fuel products. So far, if we don't seek to resolve the problem, all prognosis will be the same. Plastic production will double in the next 20 to 30 years. We urgently have to find a way to fix this problem. We desperately need to create a working plastic circular economy. Plastic waste is a global, complex problem that requires the cooperation of all of us. Plastic Stations is a new worldwide recycling methodology that is achieved with different tools and strategies. We promote a new culture of reclaiming our available resources through recycling domestically. With our technology, you will be able to recycle from home, turning home waste into valuable material. With us, you will start with plastic and aluminium, as these wastes are the most valuable materials desperately needed in the plastics recycling chain. Our mission is to 1. Eliminate plastic pollution by highlighting awareness about the real market value of the recyclable parts of home waste that we collectively produce. 2. Introduce the advantages of starting recycling from their homes and offices. 3. Provide a collection service for the shredded or just smashed plastic waste from householders and small businesses. 4. Start the mass installation of home recycling tools, kitchen appliances, which are the size of a dishwasher, to sort and shred, or sort and smash recyclable types of plastic and aluminium to start with, including glass with paper in the future. 5. Start paying householders for reclaimed plastic and aluminium material as a reward. 6. Significantly reduce and aim to eliminate the single use of plastics, SUP, and the production of virgin polymers by dramatically increasing the recycling of plastics already in use. 7. Finally, create a working plastic circular economy of already produced polymers. And remember, we do not inherit the earth from our ancestors. We borrow it from our children. Follow us in social media. Please support us to make all of this into a reality.